Yeah? Why are you screaming?
You think so?
Whoa, look at there. He's all up in it. He's like, I'm going to get it first. Why are you feeding him that? He might just cut it in half and he might eat it. Yo, brother. You were getting way too... Whoa.
Oh, my God.
Wow, these guys are getting close. No, you cannot pet them. He's got purple feathers. Did you know they had purple feathers? He's getting really, really close. I do not need him to be pecking on me. You start pecking. Ooh, they got purple feathers. Can you see the purple feathers? They got purple feathers. That's really close. Oh, you stupid seagull.
He wants to eat the donuts. The donuts are for the ducks.
Yeah, you know, you got ducks out there too.
Oh no. One duck is going to get that. I just dropped the donut. One duck is...
Oh, there's little babies down there. Don't forget the little babies.
Where?
He's underneath the little branch down there. See him? Oh my God, Aiden.
What the heck was that for, seagull?
You gotta watch them seagulls. They're the rats of the sky. They don't care if anybody else eats.
Oh no! I didn't
Oh,
want the
those poor little babies aren't getting anything.
Yeah,
there you go.
Hungry. I'm not getting anything.
There you go. Oh, you stupid seagull! Come here, give me that.